Say, welcome back to Kerney-cation. We're here at the Brandywine Falls, Cuyahoga Valley National Park, testing out our new mics. Can you hear me?
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Testing. So thanks for watching. We're gonna be checking out the falls and just going on a quick hike. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this real family vacation. All right, we're at Brandywine. She's got the kids. You got the kids, honey?
What?
You got the kids?
I got the kids.
All right, Brandywine Falls. Testing out our new mics. Both mic'd up. Wow.
We can't. It's closed, apparently.
Oh, yeah, it's closed. I hear the falls. Do you hear the falls, guys? I hear the river.
Yeah, I can hear them. Can't see them. Oh, they're over this way. We can take a look down. Yeah.
Oh, they're
We'll
up
get a
there.
little closer. We'll get a little closer. You want to look? Okay. Can you look? Can you see?
I know. Do you see them, guys?
There's the waterfall.
Yeah.
So can we not go down to that platform then?
I think that's what we saw. It was cut off. They don't want people to freeze. They don't want to freeze down there. What do you think, buddy? It's pretty cool, huh? You can't move? Oh, yeah. You don't want to fall in the water, right? What do you think, honey?
I want to get closer.
You want to go down there, huh? Yeah. They don't want you to fall in and have hypothermia.
I'll be fine.
We came all this way just to not go all the way down. There's some people up there. There's probably a better view we can get.
Yeah. I just feel like, I looked it up on their website. I feel like they should update that. Say like, hey, by the way,
Yeah.
the most important attraction that everybody goes to, you can't access today.
Yeah. Well, what a drag. At least we got some brunettes.
Or like through the winter months, because it obviously is probably like closed when it snows. Like that should be on the website. It's not. I looked.
So they at least have this little lookout. We can get a little closer. You can kind of see.
Yeah, we can take a better look. Yeah, I see. What do you think, huh?
Well, here we are. The forgotten village of Brandywine.
I see.
Wow, buddy.
I can't lift you, but Daddy can.
Yeah, I'll lift you up. Hold on. See? Pretty cool, huh? You want down? Lily, be careful, honey.
Pretty cool, huh, Lily?
Do you like it, Lily?
You want Daddy to lift you up?
Do you want to get lifted up? Pretty cool. The Brandywine Falls. Mommy loves waterfalls.
Yes, I do.
So there's another trail we can go this way too.
You want to keep walking, buddy?
All right, let's go. So wear good boots when you come here. Keep your feetsies warm.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, get nice and close to the falls. Champion Electric Company. In 1920, Willis Hale built the Champion Electric Company near the ruins of an old grist mill. Here, he produced restaurant appliances until 1937, when his factory was destroyed by lightning. These cinder blocks are ruins. You see? Cinder blocks, huh? Pretty cool. Someone used to work in there.
What?
Checking out the ruins.
Yeah.
Wow, Daddy doesn't like heights.
Oh, you sissy. It's not even that high. You see all the ice that's dripping down off the plants? See how that rock is so icy? It's cool, huh? This is what Mommy likes to do. Mommy likes to go outside.
So that area is what's closed.
Okay, hold on to me.
Wow.
Yeah, I recommend, what I'm doing.
Right in the divot. So this is like all ice. And yeah, go ahead and just stick your foot in the divot. Brandywine Gorge. Here we go. It's a snowy bridge.
Here, buddy, come step on my feet. You got it. All right. Better?
Yeah.
What do you think, Mommy?
Cool.
This really does it for you, huh?
Yeah, it does. I like to be outside. She's pointing with her sock hands.
You point, what do you see, hon? You see water? Look at that stick, it's like frozen.
Careful, buddy. You're going to get your hands all wet. All right, we'll go for another walk.
That's where we came from.
Did you like seeing the waterfall, Bubba?
You can stay here?
There's a sign, see? It says, in at Brandywine's, right there on the fence. There's a box for information by that white fence, but it's empty. We'll have to Google it.
Kind of scary.
A lot of the national parks, they close everything in the winter. Looks like a chicken coop.
This thing freaks me out. Here's kind of what the trail looks like.
Here, this loops around. I think this loops back to the falls.
Sounds good.
It's
A little muddy though.
That's fine, I got boots.
If you're from Ohio, it looks like pretty much every metro park you've ever been to.
Probably
We're
right.
very blessed. They have a wonderful metro park system.
Saying hi to Mommy. Oh, look how high we are. You see it?
Yeah.
Look at all these rocks. These rocks. Hey, buddy, it's okay, man, right? Relax. I'll never let you get hurt, okay? You're good, right? This is called hiking. Well, I'm not really sure why it's called hiking, but...
Oh, buddy.
You can keep going.
Maybe I want to see too.
Or yeah, you can do that too.
See? I say Kerney-cation. See if I can skip a rock here. If I'm any good. Watch out, little bear. You got it? I'm gonna try that way. Went once. Gotta find a real flat one. Here we go.
Oof.
You skipped like 3 times. You just stay here all day long.
I
think the kids
would
could too.
stay here all day. You give me one of those beach chairs that you travel with. Just post up with a book, some snacks, and some food. I could stay here all day because it's beautiful. You bring some food and a chair. Sounds beautiful. It's nice.
We'll probably sign off for now, but if you could rank these falls, how many Kerneys would you give it?
Oh, we did some Georgia falls that were beautiful. If we could get closer, I'd probably give it like an 8 out of 10. But since we couldn't see it because of the snow, probably like a 5.
Yeah, so we did the Brandywine Falls. I'd give it like 7 out of 10 Kerneys. It's really cool. The falls was nice. They do have a, part of it was closed off. Probably they want people slipping and falling, which makes sense. So, but 7 out of 10 Kerneys. So we hope you enjoyed this real family vacation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.